Exercise 18.3 is asking you to draw a molecule, a polysubstituted benzene, when you're given its name. And the first step in approaching one of these is to memorize those 6 benzene derivatives that we learned in the video for exercise 18.1. Because those are going to end up being the backbones for a lot of these benzene derivatives. So for example, in this first one, you look at the end of the molecule, that's the backbone, and we have anisole. Anisole is where you have a benzene ring, and coming off of the benzene ring, you have a methoxy group, so oxygen and then a methyl. So meth-oxy, methoxy group. It's an ether, smallest ether you could have coming off of the benzene ring. So that's your backbone. There's no way you could get that except by having memorized those 6 benzene derivatives that we talked about at the beginning of the video for exercise 18.1. Once you have that, you can number this however you want. Just make sure you put number 1 where the methoxy branch is, the branch that gives anisole its name. After that, you can go in whatever direction. So here I'm going to number these clockwise. Okay, well, coming off of carbon number 4, we have a chlorine. So I'll draw that in. Coming off of carbon number 2 and number 6 are bromines. So 2 bromine, 6 bromine. And that's the molecule. That's it. That's all there is to it. This molecule is 2,6-dibromo-4-chloroanisole. For B, yet again, the first step is recognizing the one of those 6 derivatives. In this case, it's phenol. Phenol is benzene with an OH on it. And there's no way you could predict that except by having memorized those derivative names. So that's phenol. And here we have a nitro group. Now remember, nitro is an NO2 coming off of the ring. And they're using one of those 3 prefixes, meta. Now remember, you have 3. You have ortho. Ortho means that the branches are coming off of 1 and 2. Meta, that means your 2 branches are coming off of 1 and 3. And para, that means the 2 branches are 1 and 4 away from each other. So here we have meta, so it's going to be 1 and 3. So if we number this, and you could number it however you want, I'm going to number it clockwise. Then coming off of carbon number 3, we will have the nitro group. And that's all there is to this one. That molecule is meta-nitrophenol.